Welcome to our cozy mountain retreat, a half hour from Yosemite National Park. Tucked away on nearly an acre of peaceful forested land, this cabin is surrounded by towering trees and nature at its finest. It's not uncommon to spot deer wandering through the yard or wild turkeys passing by, something our guests absolutely love. If you're looking for a place to unplug, slow down, and truly feel immersed in the Sierra Nevada mountains, this is it. Let's head inside. The living room immediately welcomes you with that classic cabin feel, warm wood tones, handcrafted natural wood art, and photographs inspired by the beauty of Yosemite itself. And right here by the fireplace is one of our favorite spots in the home, a whimsical little corner filled with handmade paper lanterns and soft-colored lights. It's cozy, calming, and just a bit magical, perfect for curling up with a book or unwinding after a long day of exploring the park. Just off the living room is our fully stocked kitchen. Whether you're making a quick breakfast before heading to Yosemite or cooking a full dinner at home, you'll find everything you need to prepare your meals comfortably. Upstairs, you'll find one full bathroom and 2 themed bedrooms. The main bedroom is designed with a cottage-inspired theme, thoughtfully styled to create a warm, cozy retreat, perfect for relaxing and recharging after a full day of hiking, sightseeing, or adventure. The second bedroom is truly something special. Designed like an enchanted forest, it has a fun rainforest cafe style feel with glowing tree that climbs up the wall and stretches over the top bunk. It's a magical space that kids absolutely adore, but adults love it too. It's playful, cozy, and unlike anywhere else you'll stay. There are 2 decks to enjoy, one upstairs and one downstairs. On the upstairs deck, guests love starting the morning with a cup of coffee surrounded by trees, or winding down in the evening with a glass of wine by the outdoor fireplace. It's also the perfect spot to grill dinner and enjoy the mountain air. Downstairs is our adventure room, designed for fun and connection. You'll find a pool table that converts to ping pong, darts, a TV, and even an electronic basketball game. There's also a trundle bed downstairs, along with a second bathroom featuring a shower, making this space great for families, groups, or extra guests. Whether you're here for Yosemite adventures, a family getaway, or a quiet escape into nature, we've designed this cabin to feel welcoming, comfortable, and just a little magical. We'd love to host you, and we hope this becomes a place you'll want to return to again and again.